Hello, thank you for watching my video tutorials about Maltego Community Edition tool. This is Silent Null, and within this video tutorial I will show you which are the transforms that are related to the AES entity, the Internet Autonomous System. So let's start by defining what is an AS. Um, AES, or autonomous system, represents a connected group of IPs or n blocks of IP addresses that have been assigned to an organization and provide a single routing policy to systems outside the AES. So let's imagine that we are currently working on an analysis and we have identified an AES number, and this number is assigned uniquely to organizations. So we would like to know, for example, two things. The first one would be which is the organization, the name of the organization that is related to the AES number, and the second one is which are the net blocks that belong to this AES number. So let's start by an example. In this case, we drag and drop an AES entity icon. By default, the 188 value is set there, but we are going to change this value. So in order to do that, double click and we are going to change the value to 63949. Alright, I got it. So imagine this is the AES number that I want to investigate, and the first thing I would like to know is which are the net blocks that are related to the AES. So in order to do that, we right click the icon, select to net blocks in this AES. In this case, Maltego is using wrap text to get this information, and select that transform. Alright, let's think to fit. Okay, so in this case we are currently see only 12 net blocks. As you can see, all these net blocks we are seeing, and you may be wondering why we are only getting 12 results. Well, in this case, as we are working with the community edition of the Maltego tool, there is a limitations to 12 results per transform. So in this case, maybe in real world, or if we are using another license of Maltego, for example Maltego XL or Maltego Classic, we could get more results from a transform. So let's imagine that we only have 12 net blocks related to the ES number, and we would like to know the company. Okay, so let me first do one transform from netblock. Netblock, as you can see, you have the first IP, last IP, and network owner. So if I have the netblock, before doing this transform, we have to do something. We need a workaround, because if I select the two company directly, we get nothing, zero entities. We don't know the name of the organization that is related to the ASN. So in order to get that information, we can select this net block, right click, select to AES number, and obviously this net blocks belongs to the AES number, as we have seen before. But right now, within this entity, we see a new dynamic property. This is network owner, and the value of this property is what we are going to get when we execute to company owner transfer. Let's click it, and we already have the info. Let's zoom it. Okay. So in this case, as you can see, Linode, that is a housing in the cloud company. So that is it's related to the is ASN number. So I would like to show you something else. Let's try a new graph with this information. Let's copy this icon to a new graph, this one. Alright, so we have this information and we are going to change these values. Let me try something. Fine. If I type my hosting company pipe, my housing company, and I click OK. If right now right click this icon and select to company owner, let's imagine what would be the name of the company. In this case, as you can see, is the name that we have typed within the dynamic property network owner. So in the next or video tutorials, or when I'm going to show you how to create local transform, for example by using Python, we would create a new transform just to get the organization name of the ASN directly from internet or a database that we could house, or maybe the information that we could store locally within a file. So in that moment we will create a new transform. For example, instead to company we could create another one called to organization or whatever you want, just to know what is the name of the organization without having to populate the value of this dynamic property. We could get something like this. For example, if I drag and drop and I yes change the value of the icon 63949, if right now I click to company owner, we get nothing. So with our local transform we will get the information from that organization. Okay, that's all folks. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I encourage to subscribe to my channel with YouTube. Thank you very much. Let me drop a comment or whatever if you need something. I'm glad to answer your comments or emails or whatever. Thank you very much. I'll see you.